And welcome back to my channel, MTN Possibilities. Thank you so much for coming back to the channel. In today's video, I want to talk to you about how we then put up our electrical fittings to get ready for the occupation of the cottage. It's a very beautiful morning. You can see I'm basking in the sunlight, and it's a bit cold. But like I told you, this is footage from long back when we were making our cottage ready for occupation. So I will show you how we brought in an electrician from Bulawayo who came in and did the grinding of the area whereby they will be putting in the fittings. And I need to appreciate the help of our consultants, our engineering consultants, who helped us through the stages of how we actually plan and schedule our work of building this homestead, because this had to come in before the plastering to avoid the process whereby after plastering, after the house is all nice, someone comes and then they grind and they put in the pipes for the electrical system. So the first thing we had to do once we go to the site was to put up a shed, because this area is very few trees. Actually, there are no big trees, they're just short shrubs, as you can see. So we had to put up a shed and ensure that everyone can have somewhere to go and sit and have a bit of a rest, or maybe when we needed to break for lunch or for some snacks.
Umoya, amanzi, ayisonto yokudlala ngayo.
Our goal is to plant as many indigenous trees as we can in this area, especially along the perimeter of our yard. So please let me know if you know of a place where I can actually get the seedlings or the trees that I can come and replant in my area, anywhere around Bulawayo or the surrounding areas in Tabazinduna. Please let me know so that I can start planting. Later, wood. Uvela ngako.
Ngabe nginandayo ukuphela.
Nami angithandi. Suka ke also i-TV isiyafakelwa lapha. lights yakhona. So this is the basic layout. So there will be a distribution box where you can see there is a large opening there. And this side, this is where the cooker will be, and some plugs for the fridge also. There you can see there's a long opening again there. And then this long one that comes from up there and goes down all the way. This is where the TV plug will be, because at times the TV will be sitting on a stand that's out down there. So that's the plan. And then this is where the switch for the lights will be, the outside and the inside lights. You need to have a switch. As soon as you come into the room, you have a switch. We consulted MTN consultants who helped us with the scheduling. These guys are actually good. They start with you from site planning, how you put your buildings around your homestead. Afterwards, they get a proper building company, does a beautiful job. If you can see, most of the people who pass by our cottage, they do comment on how beautiful the brickwork is. And those guys are really professionals. So I would leave the details of all those people down below. And they also helped us get this electrician, who is the one who helped us. We also scheduled for the fitting of the door on the same day that they were going to be using the grinder, because there was that generator. So the door would also need a drill and the electricity to use the drilling machine and to put in the fittings. So I'll show you the rest of the video on how we fit our door in another video. Stay tuned for that, how we did step by step of the fitting of this door. But like I said, the scheduling, the timing, because this place we have no electricity, we have to rely on that generator, and everything had to be scheduled nicely and planned nicely so that we don't lose time and we take advantage of all the resources.
Que la vea es chino. Ahora yo voy a apagar la vea y que te la one plate más. 1 or 2 plates. Okay.
Man, snatty drink. Amanzi okugeza nanka na.
Now is the time to then put in the PVC piping or the conduits. First, we had to grind a hole in there, and then now we are fitting in the conduit. Then when it's being plastered, you won't see any of those conduits from the walls. Everything will be inside the wall. So that's what we want for our finish, so that you don't see the pipes or the conduits for the electrical fittings.
Lokuzibuka.
Ziyafika phela zisibuka. Ayibona ukuthi yiyo.
But iyabiboneka inkomo
Iyabona inkomo.
sifuna ukuyitshaya.
Hayi bathi ukuthi azibonani zona. Ukuthi azibonani zona ngazihambi.
Now we were wiring the conduits with the cables that would bring in the electricity. So we bought a lot of cables. I think on buying material, it's best you buy more, because it might be more costly if you have to then go back and buy some more if what you had already bought was a bit short. But we calculated very well, and we actually had more than what we needed. And now, because it was night, we now trying to fix that solar light and put it up so that we could actually use it to light up the whole area. It was now very dark. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed seeing the process of how we did our electrical fittings. So if you are interested in working with any of the contractors that we are working with, please feel free to get in touch. I've left all the contacts in the description box. It's such a beautiful experience working at your own building project, and being part of it, you feel like you're really part of the whole process. I hope you enjoyed, and bye. See you in the next video.